Hello, in front of me I have Polar Ignite and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. Now, scroll down, find the watch settings option and tap on it. And here we can scroll down until we find the time option and date option. To change the time, simply tap on time option. Here we can select the time format. We have 24 hour or 12 hours. Select the one you like. And right here we can set the time. We can change between AM and PM because I selected the 12-hour format. So you can select between PM and AM like that by swiping up and down. Then you can change the hours, of course, by swiping up and down, minutes, and once you're done, you can press on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, the time changed. Now let's scroll down, tap on date, and here we can change the date. Again, you can swipe up and down on days, months to change the date, and of course the year. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also change the date format if you want. To do it, simply scroll down, find the date format option, tap on it, and select the format of the date. Like this. And if you're not sure what the letters means basically when you selecting the date format, basically DD means days, MM means months, and YYYY means the year. So here we have the month first, day second, and year last. Next we have day first, month second, and year last, and so on, so on. So select the one you like. And once you're done changing the settings for your time and date, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to home screen. And that's how you change the date and time on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.